Anyway, next one up, bring a wee bit here. Culture here, you see,
That's true, by the way.
As I say, you can't enjoy yourself all night, Davie.
This is a series.
Davie's got a couple of poems here for his new book.
The first, there's 2 wee poems, 2 short ones. So you'll not have to suffer for too long. But the first year, Strong Echoes, was written when we were out in China with the 50 plus. I don't know if one of you here went out. I can't see it right now. But we were out with 50 plus to Beijing. And when we heard the choir there, it was a kind of cultural night. And the choir were singing the patriotic folk songs of their homeland. So that was what inspired this. Here it is. This is a book inspiring Scotland. Strong Echoes. A people who sing of the land of their birth with passion, conviction and feeling. Are people who ken their hame land has a worth, ayont, tawdry, wheeling and dealing. Indeed they can find the sweir soil has a soul that mells with the bone and the tissue, while others, with nae sick ambition or goal, man temper their tone to that issue. So where are the Scots who will boldly agree to sing abuin mair nor a whisper? Strong echoes assert they hae muckle to gie, impelling their country to prosper. In tune, let their voices for lang syne they ceased to bevel the high rafters and ceiling, ring out with their people's potential released with passion, conviction and feeling.